open.
Yeah, we're gonna open it. I should have brought like some scissors. Okay, so this is from Derma E. You guys know this is one of my favorite makeup companies or skincare companies. So let's see what's in here. You wanna look with Mama?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like this bag? Do you wanna keep the bag?
Yeah.
Okay, so they do have a 20% off coupon code, holiday20 off Derma E's website. So we have their brightening cleanser. It's like a little travel size. I've used that before. The vitamin C intense night cream. And this is a vitamin C serum. Ooh, you like it? Okay. Then I placed a big order on Bath and Body Works because I needed like a ton of staple scents and stuff. So let's see. Part of the order looks like it came in. Oh, there's no babies in here. Only one thing came so far. Ooh, guess what it is?
Yeah.
It's a candle. You want to smell it? Yeah. Ooh, what's this one? Ooh, vanilla sage. Ooh. Do you like it? Ooh, I like that one. It's really nice. It's frosted sage, pine needles, white lavender, vanilla cream. I definitely can smell the sage and the vanilla. Oh my goodness, you got an arm on your girlfriend. All right, and then we have an Amazon order. It's a big box. Okay, here we go. So, we always acquire a ton of stuff at the bottom of the stairs. This is usually like dirty stuff that has to go upstairs. But we usually have like shoes and things that need to go upstairs that just kind of like stack up on these stairs. So they have these baskets meant for stairs. I got it off Amazon. And I can link it down below so you guys can pick one up if you're interested. But see, it just fits perfectly. So you just throw all the stuff in there. It looks way nicer than having a pile of junk. And so then I can, like this Finn brought down, I can stick that in there. Here's a hat that Finn has decided to bring downstairs. And then like this is stuff that I just got from TJ Maxx and as well show you. I got this yesterday, so it should still be there. So we have this super cute, I told you the Jessica Simpson stuff is the cutest. She's in 2T. So we have that. I'll stick that in here so I can bring it upstairs. This super cute dress, $12.99. And then these really cute overalls. Okay, I was laying down. Liv just got up from a nap. Don't mind her hair. We're gonna fix it today because we're gonna go take a couple pictures at our friend's studio, huh? Oh, your nose. Okay, Liv and I are gonna open some stuff since she loves doing unboxings. Open, yeah. So this one's from Target. Target, yeah. What did I get? I don't remember. Food. I don't think I got food from Target. Oh, it was these shoes. I ordered them a while ago, so I forgot. You want help? It's weird sitting on this side. This is like not my normal side that I would sit on. Oh, careful. Those are heavy. So let me show you. These are from Target. Universal thread. Oh, really cute. You see, these are cream boots. I'll link them down below. Those are actually really stinking cute. I like them. They were in and out of stock, so I ordered them when they first posted them online. Okay, then I placed a big order on Bath and Body Works because we were out of like all of our soap. We were out of all of our like wallflowers and low on candles. Balsam. What? Vanilla Bean Noel. That's fresh balsam. Vanilla Bean Noel and fresh balsam. Lots of these. You're sad?
Yeah.
Sweater weather. What's this one? Sweater weather. Some nice fall ones. We have vanilla coconut soap. What's that one? Then we got a candle. Let's give it a sniff. Balsam. This is one of Ted's favorite. Oh. Yeah, that's one of Daddy's favorite. Oh, it's all loose in there. That smells delish, huh? Okay, let's open this one. So I like this hand antibacterial spray. This one is in Sunshine and Lemons. It's really nice because it dries really fast and doesn't dry out your hands. This candle is called Smoked Vanilla. I'm excited to smell this one. It is creamy vanilla, smoked sandalwood, rich bourbon. Ooh, I like that one. Smell it. Do you like it? Daddy?
Yeah.
And we got Frozen Lake, which is lavender leaves, cool eucalyptus, and juniper. Bow tie and bourbon, which is dark oak, bergamot, and bourbon. White balsam and vanilla. Fresh white pine, chilled forest air. Didn't know chilled forest air had a scent. Warm vanilla musk. Then just eat your snack. Party dress. This one is bergamot, lilies, and tonka bean. I'm a big fan of like vanilla, warm, musky, sandalwood, tonka bean. Those are like my things. You're the one. We have one of these in Ethan's room too, so I always let him pick out his scent. Red currant, sparkling pear, and pink pepper. That's like a little bit more of like a sweetie fruit color scent. Cinnamon and clove buds. Pretty self-explanatory. We have a vanilla bean noel, which is like my all-time favorite scent. Ooh, frosted Moscow mule. Is it good?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't like that one. I'm not a fan. What is that? Sweet lime, lemon, sugar cane. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Vanilla birch. All of these are loose. Very, very subtle. Smell. Give it a smell. No, don't lick it. This one, vanilla birch, is white birch, Madagascar vanilla, warm sandalwood, and essential oils. Bow tie and bourbon. It's been a long time since I have. No, don't lick it. You sniff with your nose. Since I bought candles. You guys remember, if you followed me like way back in the past, my Bath and Body Works hauls? Bow tie and bourbons is bourbon, bergamot, citrus. I like that one. You like it? This one is Fiji White Sands. It's vanilla, orchid, and warm amber. Well, we're not going to do the soap yet. Fresh sparkling snow. This one is grapefruit, orange, icy melon, winter pine, mahogany, balsam. I got this for Liv's room. It's so cute. It's like pink and frosted, and it has a little light in it. Livy, this one's for your room. Do you like that? And we can put a good smelly in there. Vanilla balsam. Oh, I just love that. That's so good. This one and then the cinnamon vanilla are my favorite. It has toasted vanilla chai, winter citrus wreath, marshmallow fireside. 'Tis the season. Why did I not order any marshmallow fireside candles? That seems like a very poor choice on my part. Winter white woods. Oh, that's, what is that I'm smelling? Cedar wood? Yep. What? What's happening? You want to smell it again? That one is not my favorite. Can you put all of these boxes back into that big box? Can you put all the trash in that box for me? And then Tree Farm, pine needles, cider, and spiced apple. Oh, that's nice. It's appley. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so that's some of my bath. I think maybe that's my whole Bath and Body Works order. Okay, we're back with another haul of things we bought. Huh? Okay, the first thing is from Target. Target? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Target? Okay, let's see what we got. I'm pretty sure it's for you. Yeah, here. You got some of your little peanut butter. Oh, Sissy got some little purses. These are from Target. Isn't that cute? Look at this one. They were like, what, 10 bucks, 13 bucks. But she loves carrying purses around. And so I got her a couple. This one's like a little furry one. So cute. Do you like it, Liv?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cute, isn't it? Do you want to put it on? Stand up. Stand up.
Okay.
Look. Oh, here, I'm gonna probably need to shorten it. It's a little long, huh? We recently transitioned her out of a sleep sack like a week or two ago. And so Ted was like, I feel like we really like need a pillow for her, like a toddler pillow. And so this one had great reviews. I will link it below. But this one had little unicorns on it. But it's supposed to be like the right size for their little necks. And it's My Little Dreamy Pillow is what it's called. And they had a bunch of different prints and stuff. All right, then I got, ooh, I'm excited. Okay, I posted on my Instagram. Finn is like Finn always whines to go outside as soon as I start filming. It's so funny. I literally just brought him in. Okay, on Instagram I posted the snakeskin print of this in brown and khaki. And I thought the lime green was so fun. Oh, you sleepy? So here's the lime green. Isn't that so fun? I love this set. I'll link it down below. It's just so cute. Okay, what else? Last thing is, oh, I ordered this. I got a bandolier case. I'll link bandolier down below. It's like a little chain. And then here's the case. And then you can flip this and then stick your cards in there. And then it just kind of like hangs from the chain. So it makes it a little easier to be hands-free. But it looks nice. It looks pretty well made. This one is like the snakeskin one. It's like the snakeskin one, but it's leopard print. This is the khaki. So see, this khaki is very different. This looks more brown to me. But this is really cute. I'm very excited. And I love this set. It's only like 28 bucks. And then I got the black. You want this?
Yeah.
Here, we're gonna open that next. And then I got the black snakeskin. So clearly I'm obsessed. Oh, this one has different straps too. Okay. Ooh. Okay, gentle. This is look at mama. This is makeup, so we have to be very gentle, okay? Okay. Ooh, this one's called a novel romance. Yeah, you hold that. Okay, so first off, 2 brushes. This one is the E4 and E7. Okay, be very careful with those. Yay, I'm so excited, you guys. I wanted to try these so bad. If I didn't get them in PR, I was gonna buy them. So this first one is Cherish. Look at how cute the packaging is. So really pretty, like pinky rose colors. This one's called Ballad. Ooh, one cracked. It's like cool toned. I'm not gonna open it because this one cracked, but super pretty. Crush. Yeah, good job. Ooh, yeah, that's my like color palette right there. That's pretty. The eyelashes. That's fun. These ones are called Queen. Oh, they're called Queenie. You do like those? It's called Lyric. Ooh, that is like my fave. That color right there. These two need to go on my lid ASAP. And then let's open this last one. This one's called Amor. Can you say Amor? Amor means love. Ooh, that's pretty too. More purple tones. So all of the different ones. They're super pretty. So thank you, ColourPop. I'm so excited to try those. And then the brushes look super nice too. Well, we're not gonna open those right now. But that's all we got. All right, we got another box. I hope you guys like this. Because I think it's kind of fun. It's like a way of doing a haul. Huh? Okay. I have not been on here very much today because I went through and rearranged and cleaned out my whole skincare cabinet because there's stuff I have from, that's probably, oh no, okay. Sorry. There's things that I have that are, I don't know, 5 years old, like so much expired stuff. So I got rid of a huge box full of stuff and it feels so good. I had so many samples for all this traveling that I don't do. And I'm like, I'm tired of holding on to travel size things when I'm not actually using them. So anyways, so much stuff was expired. This is from Target and I'll link these down below. I've learned that if there is a cute pair of shoes on there, to just jump on it because there was 2 pair of boots that I kept like debating with whether or not I was gonna get, and they never came back in stock. So here are the sneakers. These are so cute. Oh, they're from Universal Thread. Now you saw those white boots, they're actually right over there, that I showed earlier this week. I got those in a 6.5. And they're just a little bit big. So I'm finding with Universal Thread, you want to size down half a size. Some people will say they're true to size. I think they are a half a size too big. So that's my advice on that. What do you think, Liv? Liv's cute dress is from, no, please don't press that. Liv's cute dress is from Target. Target. My shacket is from Amazon. Can I please put these on really quick? This is from Amazon. My earrings are from Target. My jeans are seriously, now these are gonna be too tight and I should have got a 6.5. Dang it. Dang it. Let me see. Let me try them on. All the way. Okay, these pants are from, yep, should have got a 6.5. See, here's the thing. These fit too tight on the toes, but I feel like a size 7 or 6.5 would have been too tight. Okay, well now I might see if I can exchange these, but this is what they look like. Super cute. Okay, so the white boots, you'd want to go down half a size. These, I guess, just get true to size. Dang, I'm so annoyed by that because the other like 2 things that I've gotten from this brand that are 6.5s are like big, but these are like definitely too tight. Darn it. Yeah, darn it. I'm gonna have to exchange these. So if you pick these up, I guess just get true to size in these. If you get those white boots, if they come back in stock, get half a size down.
No.